Hell yeah.
Yo, what's going on? Cuss by Reggie, back with another video, and we ain't gonna be here long, right? If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike, all the good stuff that comes along with being on YouTube and any other social media platform, right? So last week, I did a video of a new blade, and no one's perfect, right? Nobody's perfect. So I'm here today to say I think I owe an apology to EverSense, all right? I put their new AP2 blade on my not magic clips, but my Rebels from Stylecraft. And it was louder. Of course, it didn't fit the cam follower. And I know everybody was trying to tell me that it's maybe because of this and this and this, which I knew that. The only difference is that they advertise that, or they say on the website that it fits the Gamma Stylecraft, clippers. I use Stylecraft. The Rebels is my favorite my favorite clipper. So I wanted to use it on there to see if the blade was right. But from Cuss by Reggie to EverSense, I apologize. I apologize because I put that AP2 on this JRL 2020C. Totally different. Totally different. We all know how quiet the JRL is anyway. And with that AP2, no sound to it at all, right? I mean, it's the same hum that you get from the JRL 2020C anyway. The AP2, they're fusion blade, right? They're taper fade hybrid blade. Now, I put it on, it cuts smooth, didn't make it louder. Of course, the cutting blade fits a lot better. I'm still not a fan of ceramic blades. But if I was going to use one, this would definitely be the one I use, but I would use it on the JRL. Now, two things. Excuse me. On the website, it says it fits the JRL, the wall clippers, Stylecraft and Rebel. Stylecraft and Gamma. If it doesn't fit those, that is one thing that I would say change. Don't put on the website that it fit those if it don't, right? It says on the box that it fits JRL and wall. So maybe from now on I'll go by the actual packaging versus the website, but I bought it based on the website. But is it worth the price? Not really, but I'm never going to be against anybody charging whatever you want to charge because of your business, right? That's what you do. I can still think it's overpriced. I can still, anyway, I can say it's overpriced. I'm going to buy it anyway because I buy stuff in this barber industry, right? But putting that blade on that JRL, it just made it so much better. It lays down hair. It fades magnificent, right? I did still fall into, because in that video, I was saying how it tugged on her. It kind of pulled some. And I still did run into that situation with it being on the JRL 2020C. But all around, it's a much smoother cut. It made me appreciate the blade even more, all right? So if you're going to get the AP2, make sure that you're using it for a JRL or a wall, I guess. I still didn't try it on a wall because I haven't been using wall pretty much lately except for the gold magic clip. But I did bring out the JRL. I wanted to see how it fit on there and if it did work better, and it did. So again, my apologies to EverSense for dogging this blade. Now, everything that I said about any other blade that I have tried on multiple things, those still stand. Those still stand. We're not past that. We're not letting off the hook on everything. But I let you off the hook on this, which I don't think my one word means anything too much anyway to the business, but you're good. You're good with this the AP2 Fusion blade. I'm not mad at that, all right? If you're looking to buy a blade, do I think you should run out and buy this blade from Eversense? No. It's still an $85, $91 with everything blade. Like, it's still a little bit too much for a and some people was like, well, isn't it the same as the JRL blade that comes on there? Not technically, because this is a fusion blade. The blade that they have is a taper blade, right? And it comes with it comes with the ceramic blade, the cutting blade. So all of that. I say all that to say, my bad. My bad Eversense. I made a mistake, and I'm man enough to say I made a mistake. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. I know I didn't go into detail with reviewing and all that, but I just wanted to say that this video was to put out my, hey, I dogged this blade, and that's on me that I didn't put it on the correct clipper. Yeah. Peace.